Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is chopping around here, it's just moving sideways at the moment. And we are holding a higher low at the moment. So at the moment we haven't seen yet a test of support. Now I shouldn't really say that because I can easily give you here the 38.2 retracement, and this is obviously also a key level for a B wave, but it would be a weak B wave. Okay, if that was the pullback already in yellow wave B, then we should break out next above the 60 cent level, and that would be when I assume that we are probably in a breakout. That would be the first signal. It's too early to say that we haven't even broken above a recent high. But I've spent the last few days extensively to explain that there is at least a setup, not a high quality setup, not necessarily a high probability setup, but there is a setup that allows for the price to move higher more directly, either in the yellow wave count, which allows for the idea of a 1-2 setup, and we're now in a third wave, and we would just build here an ABC structure or something, which could send us to 86 cents, or in the white count, which is very similar. Actually, it's just a different way of labeling the structures. As you can see, this here is it looks like a triangle structure, and we can interpret it as an Elliott wave triangle. In this scenario, an A wave topped here, the triangle is the B wave, and the B wave runs as an A, B, C, D, E structure, and the E wave is the last wave of that triangle. And there isn't really a rule how long an E wave has to be. I mean, it needs to look good, you know, the right look is important. So I'd actually prefer this E wave to go a little bit lower, possibly targeting sort of 51, 52 cents. But as I said, we also have the yellow scenario, which basically just shouldn't break below 52.2 cents. So it could form a low at any point. Do I have any evidence that a low has formed? No, nothing really, other than a small reaction here to support, to the 38.2 retracement, which is a little bit too weak actually for, let's say, a B wave as per the yellow scenario, which would then result in a C wave. But it's not invalid, so it could at any point now move higher, obviously. The idea is that the lower the price goes, obviously, you know, the cheaper the entry, the better the entry for anybody who wants to trade this on the long side. The invalidation point is down here. That's the 6th of September low. That's at 50.2 cents. And there are several Fibonacci support levels to watch: 55 cents, 53.8, 52.2, and 51.5. They are the most important ones. This one as well here at 56.1. Didn't add it to the chart before. It is also one that is just quite shallow, right? So it would just indicate, okay, if this was it, then the B wave was quite shallow. But yeah, for now I would prefer a deeper pullback. It can always be, you know, that we're forming a little bit more here sideways section before we go lower, but this is the support area to watch. And the bottom line is, as long as we're holding, especially here above 52.2 cents and 51.5, the focus is on higher. But as I said, it's not a high probability because we haven't got any 5-wave movements anywhere. Normally, decent setups are 5-wave movements to the upside because they indicate the trend is up. We haven't got that anywhere here. And 3-wave pullbacks, because then we can watch for higher prices. Now, it is possible that the price is doing this, like 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and then we go higher. It's just less clear. It's just a lower quality setup, but that's what we're dealing with here on the XRP chart. So we work with the support levels and key breakout points here at the moment. So I have to be a bit patient, but I'm still watching for higher, and a break below 51.5 cents, one of these fib levels down here, that's the lowest one I've got actually, in this local setup, yeah. A break below 51.5 cents would be a first indication that we're starting to break down. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.